Anointed flower gold. I give specific measurements for a reason. I measure everything so precise, not too much, not too little. The combination what I give and put together will with time not look correct or on time for you. But as I add and take away, there is a storm rising up outside and a fire inside that will not die. I'm adding the source of light. I'm adding the source of life, the source of grace, and I'm adding my glory source of anointing, favor, and hope, because that is who I am, and much, much more. If you have my anointing in you, you are supernaturally radiant and ready. I'm telling you today, I am the source of life, and I will not let you die if you stand in obedience in front of me. You are like the sunflower for me, always turning your head to the light, standing tall and strong, shining like flower gold, because in you is my seed of anointing, and your face is radiant, because my flower gold anointing is on you. Your beautiful spiritual gifts I gave you for free, but my anointing on you came with a price. You surrendered yourself and let my will grow on you, and you rebuked everything that is not of me. You laid down your life, your idols and pagan ways, and you opened your heart for my ways and my love for you. My anointing filled you day by day as you laid your life down piece by piece for me. Your face is shining radiantly like sunflower gold, and you are filled with my anointing oil. Rise up, my beloved, my anointed restored flower. Rise up. I prepared you for a time like this. Once you were lost, but now you are found. I grafted you into my olive tree, and my roots are supporting you. No longer will the wind blow you like grass in the air, because you are rooted in me. My people is now your people, and their Elohim is your Elohim. Just like Ruth chose to follow me, so did you lay down your pagan ways and turned your head to the light, your source of life, and to walk my obedient path. For by my grace you are saved through faith, and this is not of yourself. It was my gift to you. But I created you in Messiah Yeshua unto good works, which I before prepared that you should walk in them. Beloved, I am calling you now. Stand by the ways and see, and ask me to show you my ancient path of obedience, where the good way is, and walk in it, and you shall find rest for your soul, for I am your peace. It's my heart desire to give to you according to my riches of my glory and my power, so that you become mighty from within through my Spirit, and that through faith Messiah may dwell in your heart, having been rooted and founded in love, that you may be given strength to grasp what is the breadth, the length, the depth, and the height, and to know the surpassing knowledge and love of Messiah, and that you may be filled to all the fullness of who I am.